Welcome to a video from thedigital-lifestyle.com. In this video we're going to have a look at the TP-Link Powerline Wi-Fi Kit. It's a pass-through Powerline Wi-Fi Kit called AV500. And the idea behind this is you get two adapters. You plug one into your router and one somewhere else in your home, and then it transfers Ethernet between the two of them using the power cables in your house. I've tried a few of these in the past, and you can have a look at some of the other reviews on our YouTube channel. But so the idea, you maybe haven't got Wi-Fi, you're not able to use Wi-Fi, or the device you want to connect to doesn't have Wi-Fi on it. This is a great way of bridging those devices and saves you running Ethernet cable all around your home. So what I'm going to do is we'll have a look in the box what's in there, and then I'll pair them up, and we'll see the transfer rate and compare it maybe to something like wireless and see what the transfer speeds are like. So in the box we've got our two devices. This is the main unit that you can connect up to your router, and then there's the extension, and you can of course get multiple ones of these to pair up with that, so you can have 3 or 4 of these around the home all paired up with the master plug. So this is the device itself. It's got pass-through so it's not using a plug-up, which is very handy. And then you've got 3 network ports and your pairing buttons. And one thing this does which is really nice is you don't have to actually physically connect it to your Ethernet. It has got Wi-Fi pairing. So what it will do, it will bridge Wi-Fi and make it and give you Ethernet. So you can plug it anywhere in the house where it's within that Wi-Fi range, pair it up to Wi-Fi, and then that gives you this to plug somewhere else and to give you Ethernet. So it's a nice way of bridging Wi-Fi into one environment. So what I'll do now is I'm going to plug this in to my home router, and then I'll plug this in upstairs here in my office, and we'll see what it can do. So now I've got it all set up. It was really easy. I just plugged the one downstairs with an Ethernet cable into my router, and I've got one up here that's plugged in here. So I'm going to try copying this file over. So now I've copied it over, and we can have a look at the transferred speeds we're getting. Look at that, we're getting about 11, 12 meg, and I tried this before Wi-Fi was getting much less, on 3 or 4, something like that. So very good quality copying time, and look at that consistency on there. That's what's really good to see, that it's running at the maximum and continually using that, so there's no sort of up and down like there is quite often on Wi-Fi. So I think that is really what you want to see, and if you're streaming video, HD video around your home, then this is a great option. You're not reliant on Wi-Fi zones sort of fading in and out or anything else like that, or interference. This is a really solid way of doing it. So what I've done now is I've just I've disconnected the Ethernet cable from the adapter, and I've used the WPS button on my home router, and then press the WPS button on the TP-Link device, and now it's extending my Wi-Fi network to the main TP-Link device. And then I've got the other Powerline adapter around the house connected to this device now, and we should be able to copy some videos over. So now that's copying over, and we're getting about 2 meg speed. So it's slower than when we're just using the Powerline, but that's because it's going up a little bit now as well. But that's because it's bridging the Wi-Fi, so it's dependent on your Wi-Fi speed. So again, you can really extend your range quite far with this. You could have this on the main power plug where the Wi-Fi range is sort of good strength, and then you can have the other one quite a way away using the power cables as sort of routing the signal to where there's no Wi-Fi, and that gives you Wi-Fi in that area. So you've got that's a really good option, and very, very simple to set up. Just use the WPS buttons to get it started and plug these devices in. They're automatically paired up as well. A really easy way of getting things networked up. So that's a quick look at the AV500 Powerline Wi-Fi Kit from TP-Link, and the price and some other details will be included with the link that goes with this. A really nice device. Plug it into your power, plug an Ethernet cable into your router, job done. Then on the other end you plug that into anything you want. It could be a Blu-ray player that hasn't got Wi-Fi, and you've got network, saving you run cables around. The other option is the Wi-Fi extender, which I think is really good. So that gives you sort of a third way of getting data across, as well as using Wi-Fi. You can then extend Wi-Fi from this to that using your power line. And again, it gives you the option of having devices that haven't got Wi-Fi. You can then connect them using this. So a great way of using your power cables within your home to have Ethernet cables without having to run Ethernet cables around the home. You don't want, or maybe not able to run Ethernet cables, and this does the great job of linking together. Very simple setup. WPS for the Wi-Fi part. The other bit just works straight away on mine. Just plug these into your router, this into your device, job done. So a great piece of kit, and thanks for watching this video. I have more videos from TP-Link on thedigitallife.com soon. Thanks for watching, bye.